How to change a screenshot location folder on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this Guiding Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can change the screenshot saved location on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change the screenshot location folder, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings tab from your Samsung phone, and from the settings you scroll down to the very bottom and find out this option called advanced features. You just need to tap on these, and inside this one, if you scroll down, you'll get to see the option screenshot and screen recorder. You can tap on these, and first of all, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll get to see the save screenshot in. You can tap on this, and it's currently selected with the folder, so you can actually create a new folder by tapping on this plus button right over here. You can create a new folder or like this and tap on create, and the folder will be created right here. You can select that and then tap on done, and the folder will be used in order to save all your screenshot. And also you can tap on the get back button, and also you can select the internal storage option right over here, and you can select your individual folder if you want to. And this is how you actually can save your screenshot on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.